If you've ever had someone say they make money from Forex and you thought it's complicated, well, this video is for you. By the end of this video, Forex will sound simple, not scary. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I teach Forex from zero in a way a high school student can understand. No big grammar, no confusing terms. So today, let's answer the most basic question. What is Forex? Forex simply means foreign exchange. It's the act of exchanging one country's currency for another. Okay, that's the meaning of Forex. For example, if you travel from Dubai to USA, you change dirham to dollars. That exchange is Forex. The only difference is traders don't travel, they trade online. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs. For example, Euro USD. This means Euro versus dollar. You're simply asking one question: will Euro be stronger than dollar? If you guess right, you make money. If you guess wrong, you lose money. Now, this is where the chart comes in. This chart shows price going up and down. When price goes up, one currency is getting stronger. When price goes down, one currency is getting weaker. Forex traders don't gamble. They study these movements and make decisions. People trade Forex for three main reasons. You can trade with small money. You can trade from anywhere. The market is open almost 24 hours. But Forex is not easy money. It requires learning, patience, and discipline. So let's recap. Forex is the buying and selling of currencies. You trade pairs. You make money when market moves in your direction. That's it. If this video makes sense to you, subscribe to this channel because the next video will explain what makes price move in Forex. I'll see you in the next one.